will create my Dolphin plant in new house. I will create another part of Dolphin plant by propagation from the cuttings. Put all the cuttings in the same pot. I don't need to water them for the first week, but the second one I will water a little bit for my plant. For the mommy plant, I'm gonna repot because we need a new pot and new soil for the plants grow better. So don't forget to remove all the old soil. So I put my plant into the new pot and then I can attach them to the wall.